You just bought your dream house. Now comes the fun part, making it yours. Customizing your space is where your house truly becomes a home. Reflecting on your style, the personality that you want to put into it, and the needs that you need to have. But where do you start? In this video, I'm going to be explaining some practical tips for personalizing your new space. From budget-friendly do-it-yourself projects to larger upgrades that truly boost the value of your home. Stick around because your perfect home is just steps away. What's up, everyone? My name is Jack Bouvier with the Bouvier Real Estate Group here at EXP Realty, and I cannot be more happy to help you, guide you through the home buying process, the seller process, and build up your investment portfolio here in Saskatchewan. If you have any questions about anything, I help thousands of people just like you every single day go through this journey and help them achieve their real estate goals. All my contact details are here below, along with my free resources to my website, understanding the true value of your home, as well as searching on all the off-market properties. Be happy to connect with you and help you however I can. Why does customization even matter? Transforming a house into a home is a one-of-a-kind feeling. Moving into a place can feel impersonal at first. Customizing it creates that emotional connection to the home where you're looking forward to coming home every single day. Simply by adding some family photos or repainting the walls to your favorite color, instantly make the place feel more familiar. It also adds overall functionality. By customizing it to how you like it, it adapts the space perfectly for your lifestyle. Your home should be the antidote to stress, not the cause of it. And also by personalizing your home, it adds value. Strategic upgrades not only just improve the living experience itself, but also boost your property's resale value. Here are some easy ways to personalize your space. Adding some paint and wallpaper. This is a super simple and affordable way to customize and freshen up and make a space unique to your liking. Choose some colors that reflect your personality and use simple peel and stick wallpaper for those accent walls. Another simple upgrade is lighting. Those old light fixtures that were from the 80s and beyond are very outdated, and you can go to a store, even like Habitat for Humanity, where they have a bunch of resale light fixtures, and hire an electrician or simply watch a YouTube video, flip off your breaker, do some little work on the light fixtures. I've done it myself, not a pro, but it's very easy to do to simply upgrade your light fixtures. It affects the mood and functionality, and sometimes you could even put in those light adjusting light bulbs so you can have different colors in your room, warm light to white light and all the above. Another thing is you're going to want to furnish with intention, I call it. Invest in those key pieces that are both functional and stylish with the day and age trends. Use a mixture of furniture with repurposed or thrifted items for a unique look with those high-end finishes as well. Add some personal decor as well. Use family photos, travel memories, and souvenirs, and just meaningful artwork that maybe friends have gifted to you or that you've created yourself. These personal touches truly add a unique feel when you're coming into your home. And lastly, try to make your place as functional as possible. Use those unused corners and closets for maybe a bookshelf or a reading corner or whatever that may be, so it's as functional and inviting and unique as possible. Some bigger projects to consider when you're renovating your house to add simple, easy value for resale purposes would be the kitchen and the bathroom. Those are two major areas that add a lot of value to properties. Simple upgrades like cabinets, modern fixtures, energy efficient appliances, and all go a long way when adding value. And realistically, those are the places in the home where you spend the most time, in the kitchen and getting ready in the morning to prepare for your day. Also, another big value add is built-in storage. Oftentimes houses do not have enough storage, so having custom shelved desks or benches for functionality and style go a long way. Another great value add idea is outdoor living spaces. And yes, if you live in Saskatchewan, it is less desirable to be outside in the wintertime, but if you can create a heated outdoor space, even more reason to go outside in the wintertime. It expands your living area, creates a space for some relaxation and entertainment, and in the summertime, you're gonna love being outside, and if it's enclosed with screens, you're not gonna have any bugs, and it's gonna be a great way to end your summer days. Things like a deck, fire pit, some outdoor patio furniture, landscape garden, all are awesome features. Some budget-friendly customization tips are to try to do it yourself when possible. scale. Obviously, you don't want to be lowering the quality of work, so do whatever you feel comfortable with, of course. Simple things like painting, assembling furniture, or crafting decor, using online tutorials on YouTube to learn basic skills like tiling or woodworking are simple projects that you can potentially do yourself. I would focus first on those high impact changes, starting with paint, then going on to lighting, and then getting those unique key furniture pieces. Try to shop secondhand when you can. Go to thrift stores, Habitat for Humanity, garage sales, online marketplaces. Those are where you could get really good deals and really unique things for your home. And also spread out the upgrades. You don't have to do everything right when you move in. Things do take time and cost money, so prioritize the projects and complete them over the time to manage your budget and eventually have the ideal place that you're wanting to move into. Some common mistakes to avoid are over personalizing your home. Avoid making those changes that are too niche for future buyers, like bright neon walls or over specific renovations. You want to make sure that your house is easily sellable in the future, just in case anything were to come up and unexpected to happen. Another thing is people ignore practicality, such as if you do live in Saskatchewan and winters are cold, maybe that outdoor living space isn't worth the money to invest for heaters and all that stuff because it does get freaking cold here in the wintertime. Or maybe you can't have carpet because you have young kids and they're going to be peeing and dropping stuff on the carpet. And if you have dogs too, maybe you don't want to upgrade to new hardwood floor. Maybe you wait till your dog does pass away to then upgrade your floor so it doesn't get scratched as much. So those little things to consider. And lastly, you're going to want to come up with a plan. Yes, these things can cost time and money. Like I said before, make sure that you prioritize the high key things, budget friendly things first that add a lot of value, and take your time to not overspend and get unsatisfactory results. Customizing your home is a super exciting opportunity to create a space that's uniquely yours. By focusing on both style and functionality, you can turn your house into a home you love. Whether you're planning small upgrades or larger projects, enjoy the process of making it your own. If you need advice or recommendations for trusted contractors and interior designers, I'm here to help. Feel free to reach out to me. Again, all my contact details are below, and I'd be happy to help and connect with you.